Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-stop route in a Garmin Nuvi 2597. This is 2597 LMT, or it can be any other similar Garmin Nuvi GPS. So first I'm going to explain what is the meaning of multi-stop route. For example, if you are a delivery truck that you need to deliver something to different locations, you need the GPS to calculate for you what's the fastest way to get the packages or passengers, whatever you need to drop off, to these locations. The most efficient way without having to drive too much are going back and forth. In other words, the GPS will create the route for you in a manner where you have to go the least amount of distance to go to all these places and deliver or drop off something. So this is how we do it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, enter the first address where you want to go by clicking where to, address. And now I have chosen 4 or 5 addresses of different Starbucks coffee shops, which I'm going to enter. So the first address I have is 3777, done. Now you need to put the street name, Avocado Boulevard, B-L-V-D. There's the one, Avocado Boulevard. This will be my first destination. I click on that and I click on go. And then I let it calculate the route. There you go, it's ready. Now I'm going to enter the second address.
Please drive to highlighted route.
I'm going to enter the second address, where to, address. My second address is 543 Sweetwater Road. 543, done. Sweetwater is one word. Road, RD. I choose that. So that is my second address, 543 Sweetwater Road. I click on that and I click on go. See, this is where you need to pay attention. Start new route, add to active route. You have to choose add to active route. Okay, so this will be my second stop. Click on done. Now I'm going to go back.
Please drive to highlighted route.
I'm going to go back and add my third address. And this one going to be 8011 University Avenue, La Mesa. 8011, done. University City Avenue. That's the one, University Avenue. Wait for it to come. And that's the one, La Mesa. So I'm going to choose that and go. Same thing, start new route, add to active route. I'm going to choose add to active route. So now I have 3 addresses in my active route. So I'm going to click done. It will calculate again based on the 3 addresses.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Now I'm going to enter my 4th address, which is 2986 Hamasha Road, El Cajon. Where to, address 2986, done. J-A-M-A-C-A. So there it is. Okay, so that's my 4th. I think 4 is enough. I'm not going to enter the last one. So I'll choose this and go.
Turn left on Crystal Clear
Add
Lane, then
to-
take the first left.
Add to active route. Okay, so now all these addresses, I have 4 destinations to go to. And as you can see, they're all lined up here. These are my addresses that I'm going to. Now, I could change my stops. Let's say if I have to deliver something or drop off a person to this address first, I could change the order of these addresses by clicking these. For example, if I want to push this up, I click this. There. If I want to take this one, give this first priority, I click and drag this on top. If I want to give the last one first priority, this one, I have to go here first, for example. I drag and go up and drag and go up, drag and go up. So now I have the first priority is Avocado Boulevard, this is the second, the third, and the fourth priority. And this is my final stop. And then I click done. You could change the order of, So
Please
now,
drive to highlighted route.
and then you just follow the instructions, and that's how you get to. Now I'm going to stop the route because this was just for test purposes. I don't necessarily have to go drive there. So basically that's how you do it, which comes in handy if you have to drop off stuff or passengers or make multiple stops in a business truck and things like that. Okay, so the importance of the destination priority or in which order to which address you're going is very major, because what if you're a, let's say, Uber driver or a passenger carrier, and the priority of which passenger to drop off first changes. Like one person needs to get to their home or to their place of destination sooner than the other ones due to an emergency or something, and you have to change the priority. That's the way you drag and drop the addresses up and down. You put the one with the highest priority to the top, and the GPS will calculate to take you there first, and then followed by the second priority, third priority, and fourth priority. Or you could have it calculate based on best economical route, so that it goes to based on distance. Anyways, I hope you watched this video and found it to be useful and you learned something from it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.